Hi guys, welcome to Neural Tech. Whether you are a fresher or brushing off your skills, this session is designed to boost your confidence and help you to crack the SQL interviews. In today's session, we will discuss about one of the questions they ask in SQL interview. What is the difference between union and union all? So today we'll understand the difference along with practical examples of when and why to use them in real-time projects. Next time onwards, whenever you are going to attend any interviews, I'm sure you will confidently answer this particular question if somebody asks you. So let's go back. Let's go back to our SSMS. So let's start. We have two tables, T1 and T2, and just check the data also for T1 and T2. So in T1 and T2, we have having the same column. Column name is ID column, and data is 1, 3, 3, 7, 11 something. And in T2, we have 1, 7, 2, 4. Is data in a different order, and the numeric value data. So let's say interviewer ask you this question that select star from T1 union select star from T2, and if select star from T1 and union all select star from T2, then what should be the difference? So trust me guys, lot of people fail this question because they always feel union is all about removing duplicates and union all is all about having all the values without removing the duplicates, and that's why they fail this question. And that is not the correct answer. That is, that is partially correct, but that is not the fully correct answer. So before getting into the question, let's understand about union and union all. So let's understand the prerequisite of union. Normally union, we use union or union all to combine the data from two or more select statements. So when you have, you want to combine the data from two or more select statement, we use union or union all. So coming to the prerequisite, if you are going to use union or union all, you have to understand both the select statement must return the same number of columns. If first select statement is returning 5 columns, second select statement should return only 5 columns. It cannot return 4 or 6. It is not going to work. Second is corresponding columns must have the compatible data types. That means you cannot union a integer with a date. So it has to be same data type. And the order of the columns must be the same in both the queries. If first query in the position 1 if there is a name, in second query it has to be the same order, and the final result will use the column names from the first select statement. So whatever the output you are going to see, after running this union or union all, the final result set will always use the column names from the first select statement. So now let's go back to the answer. So if you have two tables and you are asked to write a query like union or union all, if you see we have in data set T1 we have data like 1, 3, 3, 7, 11, and in data set T2 or table T2 we have 1, 7, 2, 4 something like that. If I am going to run the union all first, union all is going to combine the data from two data set and going to show it to us. It will show us 1, 3, 3, 7, 11, 7, 12, 8, 13, which is from the T1, and 1, 7, 2, 4, which is from T2. It does not do anything. It just combine the data and it is going to show to us. It does not do anything else. But a lot of people fail when they answer the question union, because union doesn't only remove the duplicates, it also sorts the data. Data will be sorted. If you see the output of union, you can see data is properly sorted. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, data is, there is no duplicate. It is all distinct data and data is sorted. That's the kind of power of union. So whenever you answer this question, you always tell, if somebody gives you this kind of question and tell you to write the answer, you write in a proper format that for union data should be distinct and sorted. A lot of people do this mistake. They only take the distinct value, they does not do the sorting. So that's why if you see union is slower because it removes the duplicates and also does the sorting. That's why union is almost 30 to 35% slower than union all. So until unless you don't have a requirement to remove duplicates, don't use union. because it will slow down the query. So union all gives the data from two or multiple data sets. So you can use union all if you want to really having the data from multiple sources, but only use union whenever you need the distinct values. Hope this clarifies you, and you'll able to answer any question asked you about union and union all. Thank you guys. Thank you for attending the my session. Thank you.